Hi everybody. So this is finally the end of 2021. And as the year ends, I'm reminded yet again how time flies, right? So as the year ends up, the we come into December, my birthday month, I automatically starts getting thinking like about myself, I automatically come into the reflection phase. मैंने क्या सही किया, मैंने क्या गलत किया, मुझे क्या क्या कैसे कैसे करना चाहिए था, मैंने किस चीज़ से क्या सीखा, my wins, my losses, my gains, my goals, am I going into the right direction in my life or not. मैंने कुछ चीज़ें जो आज तक सीखी है ना अपनी लाइफ से, वो एक तो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग ये चीज़ है कि यार अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में कुछ भी कहीं भी किसी भी इन एनी फील्ड इफ़ यू वांट सक्सेस ना, you just need to have a very strong will and very great strategy. Two things. A strategy you can either get from any of your mentor or some guru or some anybody else, or you can even scroll through internet or do anything to get a good strategy. Will, that comes from within you. Will cannot be an outer source. Will cannot be like an influenced will. It has to come from within you. And I feel some people have take these new year resolutions as a form of a debate that whether they should exist or not, whether we should really give that much importance to a new year or not. I think it should be a personal choice, but I still feel that if anybody has this thing that if we consider a day as an event where people reflect within themselves, then what's wrong, man? What is wrong? So some things like I always decide, like as the new year resolution. So I also have some resolutions for myself this year that first I wanna learn data science. I wanna teach myself machine learning and algorithms and coding and all those things in a better way. I already know some of it, but I wanna improve my skills in that. Second, I like past year I had my resolution to work on my fitness continuously, and I did follow that, guys. I did follow that completely. And same for this year, I do wanna take my practices of yoga, meditation, and cardio to a next level, right? I this time this year I want to focus more on my physical physical workout, right, rather than the means like the emotional and the mental one will or definitely go on, but yeah, I still want to focus my physical one on more, right? So I just want to like some of this video with some of the tips that I feel that are important for somebody to know, कि यार जब आप रेजोल्यूशन रख रहे हो तो आपको क्या चीज़ें थोड़ी ध्यान रखनी चाहिए। वन थिंग इज़ कि यार आपको एक विजन क्लियर होना चाहिए। यू हैव टू हैव अ विजन of what you want to see in yourself, how you want to make yourself after this year, right? you know so and फिर आपको ये चीज़ भी बहुत ध्यान रखनी होनी है कि यार what are the things that you are willing to sacrifice, in your daily routine. You have to make up time for something which is important to you, and that timing, that will make you stronger and stronger day by day. Things are gradual. You start from day one and then you grow up till day 21, 31, 41, and till 365, right? So it is a good thing. You have to practice. I feel that you should have three goals at max, like one goal max at a year, which will like in all your goals should be at a 50% higher from your ability right now. Like even if you think that you wanna get this, like for example, let me tell you my own example. I have goals like I want a job of as a data scientist in Amazon in FANG. So I know, like me starting right now, it is a very tough job. It is a very tough thing to do. But even if I don't get a good job of data science at a FANG company, I still will be able to improve myself up to such a huge extent that I will make it definitely good in some other, if not in FANG, right? So yeah, and also I really like the one thing that some of people don't take into consideration is that they don't consider the time limits, and they don't consider the sacrifices that they have to make to to complete that resolution within a year, right? So like for what I do is I kind of make it as a time, like these things I have to sacrifice per day, this much time I have to take out for this particular thing. And also, like suppose I just be very clear on the fact that what goals am I achieving, what I will get through it, and is this inclined to the direction of life that I want to go in. So I feel that was quite a lot of philosophical thing, maybe, but I like making such videos, and I'm starting up. My main objective is not just to uh, like make videos on random thing. My main video is to record myself and see myself growing day by day as a person. So yeah, and if in that whole journey, if I in any way adds value to your life, it would be great. I would be really happy for that. So hi, Armalove, like say yeah, thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.